What matters is your content, the substance of what you're sharing. Did you try out VTubing before purchasing your $2,000 model? The model and the setup are not everything. I'd like to personally meet them so I can slap them across the face.
Oh, I like that. Good beat. Now that's an intro.
Hello and welcome to a new segment that I call VTuber Tip of the Day, where I, Free Flow, take the time to answer your questions about VTubing or just social media stuff in general, video making. So our question comes from InBody. No, I get it. No, because nobody asked, right? Okay, great. So nobody asked, hey Free Flow, I've recently bought a $2,000 VTuber model and was wondering why I'm not having much success with views. Any ideas about what I can do? Yeah. But I have a question for you. Who in the world told you that you needed a $2,000 model to be successful at VTubing? That's ridiculous. I'd like to personally meet them so I can slap them across the face. Honestly, that's ridiculous to say that you need a $2,000 model to be successful. That's not at all correct, not even close. Basically, I do agree in one aspect. One aspect is that you need to have a nice looking model. You need to have a good setup for streaming or for content. It needs to be good editing, good audio, all of that, or lighting or whatever you're doing. But I'm assuming that you're VTubing, so well, you are because now you're committed, right? But basically, the thought is you need to have a nice setup and you need to have a nice model, but the model and the setup are not everything. You, more often than anything else, need to focus on your content. Let's play this out a minute. Imagine for a second that you are the one watching someone else and you realize that the only content that they're producing is just specifically their model. How long would you continue to watch? They don't do anything. They don't know who their audience is. The content isn't educational. It's not entertaining, but yet it's just you're there for the model specifically only. How long would you stay? Well, not long at all. You might not even make it through the first video, like 30 seconds perhaps. So why in the world would anyone else watch you in that same manner? Why would they stay just because of your VTuber model? Well, nobody's going to be expected to stay. You can't expect them to stay because, again, there's no content. What is it that you're doing? So what I would do, the idea that I have for you, is focus on your content. You need to figure out what it is that you're going to do. What are you good at? Do you have a skill? That would be the first spot to stop and think and really go ahead and go for it, would be a skill. If you have a skill, an interest, something unique and interesting that you can bring to the table, that is what I would focus on. Do that, and who your audience is. You need to know who your audience is so you know how to speak to them and about what you can talk about, that sort of thing. Because if you don't have a defined audience, well, then your content will not appeal really to anybody whatsoever. So I recommend focusing on that. Another question that I have for you is, did you try out VTubing before purchasing your $2,000 model? Now you're committed at this point, but the question is, did you even try to see if you like VTubing in the start at all? Because if you don't like it, well, now you're stuck or you're in debt or something else like that. So again, what I recommend is getting something that looks nice but isn't $2,000. You know, nowhere near that. It could be $100. It could be $50. Whatever your budget allows, $20. Some are free, and that's good enough because you want to just test and see, do I like this at all? Because if you don't, well, then why would you spend all that money into something and then being stuck? And that's just not fun at all. So I recommend trying something out with a free or little to no money option to be able to test and see, do you like doing this at all? And that will really help you out in the long run. And best of wishes to you and your content, and I hope it works out. And again, just want everybody to know that it doesn't matter how expensive your model is. What matters is your content, the substance of what you're sharing. What are you sharing? Is it educational? Is it informational? Is it entertaining? What is it that you're doing? And again, once you figure that out, people will come. It sounds kind of very simple and funny or cliche or whatever, but it's so true. If you have in mind what you want to do and you just do it, and it will come across as just fun. You enjoy it. It's something for you, and don't worry too much about what other people are thinking. Okay. Yes, care about your audience. But again, I don't want to get too far into that, but because I want to stay focused on the model thing here, because that's what the question is being asked. But again, just test it out. But yeah, do not spend $2,000 on a VTuber model. This is the wrong industry for that. If you're trying to just make money at it or whatever, it's not going to happen for a very long time, if at all. So yeah, good question. Thank you so much. Best of luck to you and your adventure. I hope you like it. I hope you like doing content and things like that, because now you're going to have to be doing that to get out of debt, probably. So, again, yeah, bummer. I really hope you like it. And again, it's not the model, it's the content that you do. And please do something different than everybody else, because there's a lot of people trying to do this and not many people standing out. So best of luck to you. And if any of you have any questions about VTubing in general, or anything else that I could help answer, feel free to put it down in the comments on any of these platforms. I'm going to be uploading this across TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. Well, probably this will be a YouTube full-on video, wherever, pretty much. Facebook, so on and so forth. I hope that this appeals to you. We'll see. I'll continue this on as a series with multiple episodes to go, as long as we have questions and interesting things to share with you. So again, if you want to get a hold of me and ask a question, go for it in any of the comment sections below. So appreciate it. We thank you. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And as always, let your imagination flow freely. I'll see you next time.
Hey, thanks so much for watching the video. Here's another one to the left. From Free Flow. That's hard to say. Free Flow. Yeah. Or you could just stay here and hang out with me. Don't know why. It's up to you though. I'm getting paid by the hour, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah. You still here? Why are you here? You should click a video or something. Yeah. Bye.